Hello, brother. This is the introduction of ecology. So, now begin. Diversity is not only a characteristic of living organisms but also of content in biology textbooks. That it means diversity is not just like a characteristic. That means you have a different you are different from animals, you are different from dogs, birds, other creature, reptiles, some other kind of things. But it also content in biology textbook, like what, some like physical environment, like river, plants, mountains, plains, soil, glaciers. These kind of a thing which is present, and that shows ecology. That is ecology. That means a human is also there, and many kind of human species, humans, animals, some other creatures, and some fungus, viruses, bacteria, every kind of things present. So, and the plants. Some physical environment like plants, mountains, rivers, these also things are also present. That's called ecology actually. So these all are about talking about over here. Biology is presented either as botany, zoology, and microbiology, or as classical and modern. Biology is like on two segments. Biology first segment is as botany, zoology, and microbiology, but we only study botany and zoology right now on class 11 and class 12. Okay, and microbiology we never like right now we are not studying because microbiology is in deep. And the other segment of biology is classical and modern. Okay, one segment and second segment, classical and modern. The later is a euphemism for molecular aspects of biology. That means this, the second phase, that means classical and modern biology, is the molecular aspects of biology. That means they are talking more in like y- when you know about a microscope and how you can see other kind of bacteria, viruses, some which some organisms which is not you can see with naked eye. So in this molecular way of aspects you can study in classical and modern biology, but right now no. Luckily we have many threads which weave the different areas of biological information into a unifying principle. Yeah, that's very right, because we have just only botany and zoology, but with only botany and zoology we have to make uh, just we have to understand many different kinds of other terms in biology. Okay, that's very nice. Ecology is one such thread which gives us as a holistic perspective to biology. That's very right, because ecology makes me to understand how our environment is very necessary, and how environment treat us and how we should have to treat us, because if environment is not there then we don't live over here. So, okay. The essence of biological understanding is to know how organisms, while remaining an individual, interact with other organisms and physical habitats like rivers, mountains, plants, glaciers, these kind of things, deserts, these are physical habitats, as a group, and hence behave like organized wholes. Okay, that's very true. Which is population, 10 number of people is living in this area. If okay, so it becomes population. Population of a man, population of a hen, population of a goat, population of a lion, population of a peacock, population of a leopard, population of a giraffe, population of a zebra. So these are the different population, and how a community forms. So this one is a population of only human, only population of giraffe, only population of zebra. So this is a distinct population, but they all comes together, it forms community, and it becomes ecosystem when these animals, these creatures also have plants, rivers, mountains, glaciers, deserts, rain. So it becomes ecosystem, and these a small part of ecosystem, they are they are fragments, because our earth is so big and so large. So these one ecosystem, then another ecosystem, another ecosystem, another ecosystem, it forms the whole biosphere. That means it forms biosphere. Ecology explain to us all this. That's very right. Ecology is all about uh, the humans, animals interacting with physical environments. A particular aspect of this is the study of anthropogenic environmental degradation and the socio-political issues it has raised. Anthropogenic means those things which is responsible is human. That means human is responsible for like degrading the environment by pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, so these kind of things. And socio-political issues like World War One and World War Two is the very good like example of a socio-political issues. They have political conflicts between Germany, USA, England, and somewhere France and other countries. Okay, this unit describes as well as takes a critical view of the above aspects. Okay, that's very true. Now let's move ahead to the another one. Ramdev Misra. Actually, my grandfather name is Ramdev. Ramdev Misra. He born in 1908 to 1998. This is a life span. So he survived for 90 years. Oh my God. That looks like very smart and very glowing face over here. So okay. He lived for 90 years, and my grandfather name is Ramdev even too. Okay. Ramdev Misra is revered as the father of ecology in India. Oh my God. He is known as the father of ecology in India because he was the first person who initiate and who take steps in India and to make India in a great shape, and to understand Indian citizens and whole India, like what is ecology and how it is very necessary, how it is ecology means you have to save our planets from like planet, or you can say just India. So he was the first person who came and says like, okay, these are the things over here, and they like explain all things, like we have to plant and we have to take care of rivers, deserts, some rainforests, and some other things. So okay, he was the father of ecology in India. Born on 26 August 1908, not on 15 August 1908. He was born on 26th of August 1908, and not at 26th of January, only on 26th of August. Ramdev Misra obtained PhD in ecology in 1937 under Professor W. H. Pearsall, and second FRS from Leeds University in UK. Oh, UK, United Kingdom. United Kingdom comprises three or four countries, which is England first, second Ireland, and third Scotland something, and I am not very sure. But UK comprises three to four countries, so it forms UK. And he got a PhD degree in ecology in UK. Okay. In that time, oh my God, in 1937, in 1908 he born. After 2 years, 1910. Okay, then 10, 20, 30, 27 plus 2. At the age of 29, he got a PhD degree in ecology from United Kingdom, Leeds. Okay, that means he was very well settled. He belongs from a well settled family. That's why he went to the UK, United Kingdom. He established teaching and research. Okay, research in ecology at the Department of Botany. That means you can like study about plants of the Banaras Hindu University at Varanasi. BHU, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. His research laid the foundation for understanding of tropical communities. Okay, that means the research he done, they make to understand uh, and make its foundation for understanding of tropical communities like rainforest and other stuffs and vegetations in India and their succession, environmental responses of plant populations and productivity and nutrient cycling in a tropical forest. Okay, that means very necessary for a nutrient cycling. It should be, and otherwise if you lose their nutrient cycling, so you will lose your forest. Okay, and grassland ecosystem. Misra formulated the first postgraduate course in ecology in India. Misra formulated the first postgraduate course in ecology in India. Okay. Over 50 scholars obtained PhD degree under his supervision and moved on to other universities and research institutes to initiate ecology teaching and research across the country. Okay, he was the first person in like 1937 he got a PhD degree in ecology from United Kingdom. That means in India that time there were no ecology, there were no study of ecology and institute for ecology. So he came to India and he started teaching in developing something, developing or influencing students to take ecology and understand ecology and research on ecology and to teach ecology subject in India. He was responsible for making ecology came to India. Okay, you can say that, but I'm not very sure. Okay, over 50 scholars, over 50 scholars, that means more than 50 scholars got a PhD degree. He was honored with the fellowships of the Indian National Science Academy and World Academy of Arts and Science and the prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award in Environment and Ecology. Oh my god. He got three prizes fellowship of the first is Indian National Science Academy. Okay, second is World Academy of Arts and Science, and the third is prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award in Environment and Ecology. Okay, you should have to remember this, I think their names, but you will forget very quickly because these are like same thing: environment, ecology, something science, arts science, prestigious science, Sanjay Gandhi Award. Okay, but try to remember. Due to his efforts, the government of India established the National Committee for Environmental Planning and Corporation in 1972. Oh my god. In just 1972, he was playing a lead role in making in India to establishing the National Committee for Environmental Planning and Coordination, which in later years paved the way for the establishment of Ministry of Environment and Forest in 1984. After 1972, in 1972, a committee formed named called National Committee for Environmental Planning and Coordination. That is formed in 1972. But later, several later years, that same name committee get improvised and changes after it becomes name called establishment of name called Ministry of Environment and Forest. Yeah, that we actually be known today, Ministry of Environment and Forest in 1984. Till then, bye, see you soon.